The subject support area is a really important part of the Complete PE platform because this is where you're going to find loads of additional supporting resources and guidance. This is an area that you won't necessarily need to come to all of the time when you're accessing Complete PE, but it's certainly an area that is going to definitely be helpful at some point or maybe at several moments throughout the academic year. First of all, it's split into 6 sections. So in our additional PE resource section, this is where you're going to find resources that potentially could support you. For example, if you're delivering classroom PE, as you can see there on the left-hand side. It's also where you might find things like non-participation resources. You can filter the content as well to ask you just to show you specific key stage resources as well. But lots of the time, some of this content, particularly our classroom PE resources, they're helpful sometimes if, it is a particular time of the year where you can't get in the hall, you can't get outside. And so we've created some resources that are here to support you. So it's always worth having a look at the resources available there to support additional PE teaching. In the curriculum support section, this is where you'll find, says on the left-hand side, sort of this is where you might find additional things like our glossary of all the vocabulary. It's a place where all the knowledge organisers are saved in one place. This is where you can also find things like our progression of skills overviews, our specific learning ladder pathway. So this is probably an area, particularly for subject leaders, to really help you to fully understand how the learning is organised on Complete PE and other resources to support you create your curriculum. The physical activity resources section, places where you'll find things like active brain break ideas with some really sort of different sort of themed videos to help you sort of give your pupils a quick brain break and then get back to their activity, back to their learning, in the classroom. They're designed to be about 5 minutes long. Other resources such as our play leader resources, playground physical activity challenges. So anything that links to maximising physical activity can be found here. We've got our SEND support section. So this is where we've got extra support specific for, either our SEND settings that are using Complete PE, but also resources that mainstream schools might find helpful too. We've got reworked learning ladders, some extra CPD, and any other resources that we felt would be really helpful to ensure that all pupils can be fully included into PE. We have our sort of partner and NGB area. So you can see down the left-hand side all of the different NGBs and partners that we work with. And then you can click into the relevant sort of NGB partner or area section to find other resources that they have supplied us with that you are able to utilise, again, as you build your full curriculum. And then finally, we have our professional development and training section. So this is where you're going to find other types of CPD. Again, using those filters, you can sort of see if this is, you want to filter just by training that's relevant for everybody. You want to filter to see sort of training specific to subject leaders, but it's also where you'll find any other resources to support you in your teaching of your PE curriculum and the development, ongoing professional development as well. So that's our subject support area. As I said, it's going to be an area that's going to be helpful sometime. It might not be helpful all of the time, but it's just a really important section to flag to ensure that we're providing you with all of the support you need to make your job as easy as possible.